So guys, today we're going to the mall to take our Santa picture. It's Blessing's first Christmas, so this is gonna be her first picture with Santa. She's usually like very friendly, cool, chill with other people. So
Yay! I love Christmas.
yeah, Michaela cried from Santa her first time. Let's see if Blessing will cry. Get ready with us, guys. Good morning. Hi, Blessed. Hi. Are you ready to see Santa? Yes. Are you gonna cry? No, no, you're not gonna cry. Yeah, you like your dress? Oh, careful. Careful, you don't fall.
You're fine.
This is gonna be your nice, pretty dress, Blessing. You like it? Ooh, so cute. It's so cute for Blessing. Here, I'm gonna try to comb her hair. Yeah. Mm. You're so cute, Blessed. Are you ready to take a picture with Santa? You are so cute. You are so cute, Blessed. Hi. Yes, you're ready. I like your shoes. Ooh, so cute. Little bows on your side. Baby is ready. Not too happy. Her hair is so Okay guys, so Mickey's all ready. Yeah, so cute there, Mickey. Here is up here. Alright, my baby is ready. Okay, Joe, you're all ready. Looking very nice, Joe. Okay. All right, everybody ready to go now. All right, so get on your shoes and stuff like that. Don't worry, guys. I am not taking picture with Santa, but you know the mall is all decorated and set up nice. So I'm just putting on a sweater. I could take some picture in the mall with the kids. Okay, don't worry. Me way past Santa. Me too big for Santa lap. Popcorn. You see the line for Santa. Guys, if you see the line up here for us to take picture with Santa Jesus, please. Oh, these are nice.
It's Christmas.
December 25th, you don't know that?
Okay, but how
Next Wednesday. Guys, you have to book appointment, and I didn't know that. So we're not they walk in line. I'm telling you, it's long. I don't know what time we're gonna get. Even make it to that sweet. You waiting on Santa, Mickey?
Yeah.
Zayden, you gotta take a picture of Santa? Yeah. We're all in our whites here, guys.
Smile, Zayden.
Which one?
Superhero.
Superhero?
What's in there, bucket?
Okay. Okay, guys, we gotta get some ice cream. Oh yeah. Mickey, which one do you want?
This one.
Oh, the birthday party?
Yeah, mine is superhero.
Okay.
And then it tastes like chocolate.
Kid size? So, yeah, the birthday party, yeah.
Everyone
Can I get one more? Which one? This one?
Mommy, I want two of the super.
So we should dip it in the vanilla. Jesus, please, may I tell us, you come out of the house with these people. Mickey, let me see your ice cream. Is it good? Let me see your ice cream, Joe.
It's super good.
Yeah.
All this mixed.
Okay, guys, I just got back from the mall. And I'm going to try my first piece of Christmas cake, okay? So we got this Christmas cake all the way from Toronto. So let's try it. Okay. Alright. Looks so good, guys. Oh yes, guys, cake tastes good. Love it. Big up, Karen in Toronto. Merry Christmas, guys, and Happy New Year from our family to yours. Hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Thanks for watching. Bye.